At Hoërskool Stellenbosch, this is the grand opening of the track. We've been looking forward to this day for a while, giving a whole new generation of athletes the opportunity to do sport, to get a good education and be empowered.
The quality of this track, the facilities here, the school here, the chances for the youngsters here are world class.
This will be a fully accredited track with World Athletics certification. You'll be able to run world records here if needed. A really big spoil to have the wave-like timing system. It's going to be the playground for many years. I think we're going to see amazing athletes coming through it, and I think we're going to write amazing stories.
Dit is baie opgewonde. Jy kan sien hier agter groot dinge gaan gebeur. Stellenbosch is altyd bekend vir atletiek dorp en ons hoop om dit terug te sit.
I truly believe that this is one of the most beautiful tracks in the world. The ACE Trust was founded to provide underprivileged young athletes with access to education and world-class training. Today is about more than just a facility. It's about opportunity, transformation, and the power of sport to change lives.
ACE Trust was verantwoordelik geweest vir al die skenking wat ons gekry het, die baan, 'n nuwe koshuis, 'n nuwe saal, ons tennisbane geskuif.
Together we're not just building tracks, we're paving pathways to success. So, to the young athletes training on this track, know that you're part of something bigger. You've been given a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to change the trajectory of your lives. Embrace it, work hard, dream big. Every step you take here is not just for yourself, but for those who came before you and those who will come after you. Make the most of this chance, not to just become better athletes, but to become better people. Learn, grow, and push beyond your limits. And one day, when you've achieved your dreams, remember to pay it forward. Lift others as you have been lifted, so that the cycle of opportunity continues. Your journey starts here, and what you do with it.
Having a packed stadium filled with so many parents, so many supporters, all the love from South Africans, super for me. It's a humbling experience at the same time, because it kind of brings you back to, the people of your country actually do support you and do love you. The ACE program is very crucial. It's developed so many athletes that have become professional athletes. I'm fully in support of it. That's why I'm here, and yeah, shout out to them and keep on doing what you're doing.